for buying this 21875 rivet gun from Fixture Displays. The rivet gun is a versatile tool to join two pieces of metal and come with several tips that we're going to show you how to remove and install. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. To begin, we want to flip the joiner open and remove the tuck-in tool. You want to use your rivet to test which tip works the best, and remove and install into the tip position. If you have any questions, email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. We also sell M4 rivets. Part number is 21876. So we're going to use a rivet to test and determine which one is the best. In this case, this is the best. We're going to just turn that and remove. And then you can remove what is already installed and put that in position. This is how a rivet works. Essentially, you pull the tail and then the stem would expand to the point where the tail snaps, and that will finish the expansion of the tip. As the enlarged tip fills the entire hole, it joins the two sheets of metal together. Please like us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Remember, often you need to do the squeeze action twice, sometimes even 3 times. Please do remember, leave a good seller feedback and a product review. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.